We're checking into Animal Kingdom Lodge today. So we're going to eat at Boma, which I'm really excited for. And then,
so good.
Yeah, Madison's been here. And then we're checking in here, so I'm also really excited to stay here. We got a Savanna view room, so we're gonna spend the next day just staring at animals. So we're at Boma. We got the jungle juice. It's really good. They have the best pots, and they also make their own homemade Nutella, which is really good. So we just got to our room in Animal Kingdom, and I see giraffes, so I'm excited. There's literally one right there. He's so cute. So there's the giraffe right over there. There's zebra back there. It's hard to see on the camera, but you can see it. There. Zebra's back there. Some type of animal. Here's pelicans. There was just crowned cranes, but they're kind of hard to see. There's the back of one. Some things with horns back there. So our room's a little bit messy, but we wanted to do a room tour. So there's a closet. It's a lot more intricate than the all-star value rooms. The fridge is down here. We got a brownie. That wasn't very good. The bathroom, there's 2 sinks. This cool mirror. It's super close. This mirror. The shower has sliding doors and a double shower head. And then there's this dresser. A way nicer TV. We're also in a renovated room. Also, Madison's eating a zebra dome. There's also a really cool little cave drawing decoration. And then in the bathroom, there's a Hakuna Matata. This, which if you look at it sideways, is a hidden Mickey. And then this bed, which we used for all of our stuff. This bed. Our view. This table. And then this is our view. There's a zebra coming over. There's also some type of horned animal back there. Sorry, I don't have a better description. A zebra and a giraffe hanging out right there. Another giraffe back there that you can kind of see. Some impalas down here. And there's actually a bunch of those. There's some wildebeests. And then a donkey sitting down over there. More impalas. And then there's this bird here. I don't know what he is. Zebra, some wildebeest, some impalas. Sorry, it's so shaky. Donkey. There's literally 4 animals right there. This is insane. There's a giraffe right by our room. We just went down to the Mara, which is the food court at Animal Kingdom Lodge. And we got zebra domes.
They look so good.
And I'm really excited because I've always heard that they're amazing. So we're going to try them.
They're a little squishy upon first impressions.
The lighting is terrible. Okay.
Oh my god.
I missed your reaction. I was looking at the thing.
I was not expecting that.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's like a little cake. Mousse, and then a jelly top. They're really good.
They look like pudding. They feel like Jell-O.
How do you feel?
Those are insane. I kind of wish we went to Boma for dinner, just so I could eat a million of these for free. Well, included. So we have some pink-backed pigeons, some zebras.
Some pink-backed what?
Pigeon, what are they? Pelicans. Just kidding. We have, shut up. We have some, I thought something sounded wrong. Ooh, I don't know what these are. They just came running out.
Are they pink-backed pigeons?
No. They literally just came running. I haven't seen them before. There's a lot of animals out here. We counted and one time we were saying 25 at a time. So, anyways, there's some pink-backed pelicans. There's some zebras over there. There's some sort of antelope-looking animal back there that hasn't gotten close enough for us to determine what it is. There's a wildebeest right there, a giraffe, some more wildebeest right there, and then behind that is an impala. And then not totally sure what that animal is right there because we can't really see him very well. There's some more animals sleeping back there. Not really sure what they are either. And then these guys just came running out. I have no idea what they are. There was also some donkeys out a little while ago. And then here's these crowned cranes. They're really cool. They look like they have an afro. These cranes are so cool. This lady has been out here for like almost 3 hours, literally not doing anything. She's not feeding them. She's doing absolutely nothing except for sitting there watching them.
She's hiding out from her boss.
There's this little duck. I think it's an African duck. He's like right by our room. He's huge. He just crossed through the high voltage fence.
He was scary.
You can only see the butt, but that's a water buck over there. We were trying to figure it out for a while. And then there's a zebra behind him. A bunch of wildebeests.
Hi.
And then here's this duck. He's literally like, this is our room. That's the duck. This duck is barking. It's the weirdest noise I've ever heard from a duck. This giraffe is eating. Oh, you can see the water buck walking by the giraffe with the white circle on his back, his butt. That's the water buck that just went behind him. There's another zebra, wildebeest. There's so many animals out here. It's so cool. So just right now, we can see a water buck, an impala, wildebeest, zebras, something else that I don't know exactly what those two animals between the trees are. Giraffes, more impalas. This is by far like the coolest thing ever. There's another giraffe walking back there. Oh, here's a lady. She left for like 5 minutes and then she's back. She's literally been here for hours. I don't know if she's just making sure they don't fight or literally what she's doing, but she's not feeding them. She just chills. There's the water buck a little closer. The impala, giraffes, zebras, literally just tons of animals. This giraffe just bent down and picked something up. And now it's just in his mouth. Oh, he dropped it. It looks like it was like a tree branch.
I think they're calling them out.
No.